Back at her on the tractor project today, the L2550, the dreaded tools. The electrical's not actually that botched, surprisingly, for an 80s tractor, but hooking the tack cable back up did nothing, and this is why. She pooped, so that's junk. New one en route. Got nothing on the dash here. Temp gauge didn't work when I was running it the other day. Fuel gauge doesn't work, but the tank's pretty well empty. It may work. And the oil pressure light works. That's it. So here's our dash harness. Sweet. And we got this awesome circuit board, which there's continuity to everything. We have dash illumination, and as you can see here, and the hazard lights work well on the dash. Oh, so we've powered everything here. Everything else from here out is pooched. Someone added a not so factory charging light, but this is the voltage regulator there. Those two cut wires that are joined together down here come from the alternator where it's also cut, and that's where the Moret is, the dreaded Moret. So that charging light never goes out. And here, this rusty, look, that was a air filter sensor. She gone. And then more of these dangly wires down here were once a battery electrolyte sensor. Beyond that, all of the botched up cab wiring is deleted. Hunting down the glow plugs as well. Check them out, but they're reading about 6 volts, which likely isn't enough to get them hot anytime in any speed. And what else? Oh, the temp sensor way back in there. You can see it in there too. Probably not. It has continuity to it, so the sensor itself is likely pooched. Tack should work if the gauge is still good in the driver. This is here. That's where it hooks up, right there. Because it's all mechanical, so it should work as long as everything's alright in there with the new cable. One thing I noticed too, there's the fuel filter, and this was where that cab heater was. Pretty much guaranteed that wasn't changed very often or ever since the cab was on it. So yeah, that's where we're at now. Gonna change the filter, drain the tank, change the filter, and then take the intake manifold off, the ejector lines, pull the injectors, and throw some new injectors in, see if we can get rid of the white smoke and the diesel mixing in the oil, ideally. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah. I guess my suspicion was right. Unfortunately. You know what? Well, at least it's spitting black smoke now. The old new injector. And that wasn't actually that hard of a job. Pulled the glow plugs out. Tried to test them. They're dicked. So, didn't waste a new exhaust or intake manifold gasket on that yet. Or put it all 100% back together, but. And the temp sensor, gotta take it all back out. Well, at least the intake manifold. Should get it tomorrow, so yeah, then maybe we'll have a temp gauge. But on a positive note, just needed fuel. So 2 things on the dashboard. Things are looking up. Forgot about this here. So new fuel filter. Sprayed the tank down with brake clean and rinsed it out with diesel. Took this line off the pump here, cleaned it, and then every line from here up to the injectors. The pump and the injection pump, they got what they got, I guess, at this point. Now, when you rock the track, you can hear the fuel, but you can also hear something else slosh around a little too much. And in the old sight glass there for the transmission, you can hear or you can see it's pretty milky looking, so I want to, so, doesn't look too bad. Here. Oh, surprise.